Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going on a treasure hunt, and our goal is to uncover some incredibly powerful Google AI features that most people, well, they just never find.
So, you probably think you have a handle on Google's AI, right? You use it for a quick question here, drafting an email there. But what if I told you that's barely scratching the surface? If you think it's just a chatbot, you are seriously missing out on its real power.
Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to blow past that simple chat window and unlock a whole new level of tools. Tools that are designed to make you way more productive and a heck of a lot more creative.
So our first hidden gem is something called multimodality. And really, it's that magic moment when the AI goes from just hearing your words to actually seeing what you see. It's not just about text anymore, not by a long shot. And this slide right here perfectly explains why this is a total game changer. A simple text prompt like, summarize this. It forces the AI to guess. It's like asking a chef to cook something without giving them any ingredients. But when you upload a file, now you're giving the AI the whole pantry. It has rich, specific context. And all of a sudden, the answers you get back are incredibly precise because it's working with the full picture.
And the possibilities here are just huge. Think about it. You can upload a dense legal contract and ask for an analysis, or an image of a new product label for a critique. You can even drop in a YouTube link and get an executive summary. Heck, you can snap a photo of your messy whiteboard notes after a brainstorming session and it'll make sense of them.
All right, let's move on to our next big discovery, Google AI Studio. You should really think of this as kind of like a secret workshop, a sandbox just for power users. It's running on the same powerful engine, but it's got this whole suite of professional-grade controls that most people just never find.
Now, one of the coolest tools in this workshop is something called Compare Mode. It essentially lets you put two completely different AI experts in a room at the same time, give them the same problem, and have them analyze it from totally different angles.
This means you can get a really balanced, multi-angled view on any big decision. For example, you're thinking about a career change, right? You could tell one AI, act like a cautious financial advisor, and the other, be a life coach focused on growth and passion. You get both the risks and the opportunities, all laid out for you in one go. Next up in the studio, and this is pretty wild, is Stream Mode. This thing basically acts as your own personal performance coach. It can actually observe you through your webcam or watch your screen share and give you live, real-time feedback. And we're not talking about vague, generic advice here. This is super specific, actionable feedback. You could be rehearsing a big salary negotiation or a pitch to a new client, and the AI will give you pointers on your body language, your tone, even your posture. It's literally like having an executive coach on demand 24/7. And now for our final, and maybe the most powerful gem of all. Building your very own custom AI assistants. This, my friends, is the ultimate power move. It's all about total automation. Think about those tasks you do over and over and over again. Maybe it's formatting a weekly report or answering the same customer questions every day. Well, with a custom gem, you can build a little AI to just automate those things completely.
And what's crazy is how simple it is to build one. It's basically a 4-part recipe. Step 1, you give it a persona, like you're a friendly customer support assistant. Step 2, you give it a task, draft replies to emails. 3, you give it context. You upload a knowledge file like an FAQ doc. And finally, you tell it exactly what format you want the output in. You build it once and you never have to repeat those complex instructions ever again. So there you have it. We've just unearthed some incredibly powerful tools that are hiding just beneath the surface. And honestly, they can completely change the way you work. So what this all means is you now have a treasure map to go from being just a casual user to a true power user. You can provide richer context with all kinds of files, get expert-level analysis and coaching in AI Studio, and automate your most boring work with custom gems. And this is why this all matters so much. These tools aren't just novelties. They're not just cool tricks. They are designed to save you a significant amount of time and unlock new creative potential. So the real question isn't what these tools can do, it's what are you going to build with them? What repetitive task will you automate first?